On September 15, 2022, officers got a hit on a stolen vehicle. Just a couple weeks earlier, a man walked into a car dealership with a fake ID, a fraudulent credit card, and walked out with a $40,000 brand-new Mercedes CLA 250.
East on East Dania Beach Boulevard, passing Motel 6. Actually pulling into Motel 6 parking lot. He's parking, so I'm gonna activate my lights. Stay there. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Open this window. Open the window. Open this window. Open this window right now. Open the window slowly. Put the car in park. Slowly open out the door. You have any weapons on you? Alright, the reason I'm doing it, I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? Just relax, follow my commands, alright? Follow my commands, alright? Just sit slowly. Put your hands up front. Right this. Yep. Just go on this side. Anybody else in the car? No? Alright, now slowly. No. Slowly open the handle. Pull the handle, open the door. Put your both hands out. Put your both hands out and slowly exit.
Hey, come on out. I'll explain. Camera. Hands on the hood.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your phone here. Put your phone here.
Yo, Ma!
I'll explain it in a second.
Man.
Right. The reason we're doing this car comes back as stolen. All right. That's all the reason for this. We're gonna.
This car is in my name.
All right. We're gonna investigate right now. It just came back as stolen. That's what we're doing. All right.
All right, Papi.
Right. It might be some confusion.
Yeah, it is,
but that's
bro.
why. Thanks for cooperating. Okay. Just give me a second.
So much guns at him. It's coming back as stolen. All right, bro.
Was it reported stolen by anybody?
Yeah.
You? You reported stolen?
Yeah.
So you got it back?
Yes.
Okay, so it needs to
Just
be.
confirm it, and
Yeah.
go. Maybe somebody didn't take it out of the system. Did you ever call to take it out of the system?
Was it ever stolen?
Oh,
I just lost it for a little bit. You just lost it for a little bit? Yeah. What is it, like a car key that you lose and you find?
Somebody know something? All right, just do me a favor. Just sit here in the curb.
All right.
All right. Do you have a ID of any kind? Is it in the car? No. All right. Let me get your name.
You said he had a gun?
No.
Huh?
Is he any good? No. I asked him for a gun. He said no.
No weapons, bro.
Yeah. Where's your mom?
She's home.
Which room? Which room?
She's upstairs. She's home.
Which one?
236.
36? What's your name, boss?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Martin.
Spell.
D-A-V-A-N-T.
D.
A-V-A-N-T. Yeah.
What's the last name?
Davis.
And the car in your name, you said, right? Okay. Give me a moment. We're advised we have one detained. 1029 check, one time, blackmail. Last name Davis, Delta Alpha Victor India Sierra. First name Davante, Delta Alpha Victor Alpha November Tango Echo. 40, thank you.
No.
Alright. No. So, what's up with your license? Stand up. What happened to your license? It's surrendered. What? You didn't lose it. You don't have a license. What? What happened?
I lost it.
What do you mean, like lost physically?
It was taken from you.
No,
No, I lost it. I lost it. Like,
no, it's not. You don't have a license. I'm saying, in the system, you don't have a license.
yeah. I'm not from out here.
Where are you from?
I live out here.
Do you have a license from any other state? From where?
I got pictures.
Where?
I got picture.
Okay. Show me, because otherwise I'll give you a ticket, because it shows that your license was
I got my
taken away.
passport, Pop.
No, passport. I'm saying driver's license to drive a vehicle.
Pop, I got my passport. Let me rock, please. You can still run my name with that.
No, I got your name.
Yeah.
I got that. That's why you're out of cuffs, because
All right, just-
I confirmed it. That's your car.
If that's the case,
You get.
give me a ticket, bro. Because I'm going to get a ticket. I was driving. You might as well just give me the ticket because my license not on me, bro. I'll show you a picture, but it's not on me.
So what license from where? What state? From Florida?
Yeah.
No, that one's canceled.
Cancel?
Yeah.
I just came in.
It's just, yeah, you don't have a license. You need to, whatever needs to
go
be
to
done,
DMV, yeah,
you need to go to DMV and you know, get the license, all right?
I'll take care of it.
Just hang out for me for a second, okay? I'm blackmail. We might take him again.
Huh?
We might take him again. Just watch. Okay. We take him again. Confirm, please. All right, so you have no license. You have a license from New York. Stand up again.
Come on, Pop. Don't do me like that. Wait, stop. Stop resisting.
Come on, Joe.
I'm not resisting.
Put that.
I'm not resisting.
Put that down.
I'm not resisting, bro. I'm not resisting. Gangsta, I'm not resisting.
Come on, man.
I'm not resisting. I won't do anything like that. I'm just saying what happened. Let's talk.
I'll tell you. Give me your phone. Don't do those moves. All right. I've been nothing but respectful to you. I explained everything.
100%.
I just sit down again.
I apologize. I'm listening.
All right, by running your name, there's another guy like you, exactly the same name, but I missed the field. Like I missed that the date of birth was a little different, and that had Florida license. You never had Florida license, right? You have New York. All right. So apparently you have a warrant that I'm confirming right now
Warrant for where?
from Port St. Lucie County.
I took care of it, Pop. I took care of it, Pop. I just came out of jail for that. That's what I'm going. That's what I'm at court for right now. I swear to God, I'm at court right now for that.
I know, but maybe you missed the court.
No,
And-
Pop, I'm
and that's
literally
what's
at court right now. Like, they could have just caught my case while y'all was locking me up. I was at court on the phone while y'all was driving.
Okay.
I'm on Zoom call.
So that's why I'm
I swear
confirmed.
to God,
Hold on.
I just came out of jail, Pop. Literally. Go check my.
But you-
Look at the jail I came from, St.
But
Lucie.
you know how it works? So we see the warrant. So now you're in cuffs again because of the warrant, all right? Before it was a stolen car, which
Now
I'm
it's
gonna
a
take,
warrant, Bob.
which I'm gonna take off the stolen car list, all right?
Thank you.
But now I'm waiting for them to confirm it. They're gonna go physically check over there and see if the warrant's still valid. Maybe some.
I don't have
if you-
no warrant, Pop. I promise you.
Okay,
that.
so
You just holding
then
me
you'll
right
be
now.
again on
Go
your
check
way.
what jail I just came from. It's gonna tell you Port St. Lucie.
When was that?
Go look in the system. Look at
So when was that?
like 3 months ago. I just came out of jail literally.
What's the warrant? What were you arrested for?
I
Wasn't
had a
like
warrant in St. Lucie. I had a warrant in there for. I got pulled over one time over there. For like
you were arrested in
reckless driving.
in Fort
Some-
Lauderdale, no?
Yeah, but I got locked up in Fort Lauderdale, and I had a warrant in St. Lucie. They transferred me to St. Lucie. I took care of the warrant. I spent like
Okay.
a couple months over there, and then I spent like a month or two, and then I got out.
But then usually it's you need to go. All right. Yes. What's up? It was signal 10, but the owner appears as a driver. He said he lost his car. Now he got it back somehow, unexplained. But now it's we're checking the warrant. There is an outstanding warrant from somewhere.
Everybody, I don't care if you're the owner of the car.
No, I know, no. Okay. Yeah, there is one person only. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right.
You said, Bob?
No, detective's coming.
What?
We'll check. We'll check on you.
Hey, you want to put him in the car to settle?
Yeah.
Check on what,
Just
Pop? That's lying
stand up.
now,
Come on,
Pop.
man.
That's not being real, Pop.
What?
What's the problem? Like, why are detectives
I told
coming
you.
down when y'all can't take care of
I told you I'm waiting for a warrant to be confirmed, and detectives coming out for a signal for the stolen vehicle.
What stolen vehicle?
This one.
is
It's
who?
reported
It's in
stolen
my-
in the system.
It's in my name.
I know.
So, yeah, we're gonna
but we
take it
gotta
out.
Detectives got to come for that?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you got to verify it's you who owns it. That's it, man. Come on.
Hold on.
Can I get my keys and lock my door, please?
Hold on.
What's in your pocket?
Nothing, Pop.
What's this one?
Just grab one. Yeah, I smoke weed.
You don't look like you. Look because of all this stuff. Talking about you got that loud.
Can you lock my door for me, Pop?
No, you can't.
Why? About it, man.
What's important in the car?
No, I'm
What
just
do you want me to see over there?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, because you started talking that shit.
No, I'm asking.
You got a
It's
Jimmy
not-
Choo box.
It's not in there, Pop. I just don't want
You
to.
got a duffel bag.
Why I gotta sit in the car though, Pop?
Because it's so hot outside, we care for
I'm
you.
good outside, Pop. I don't need.
I'm not good. It's too hot.
We'll put the AC on.
Can I get my phone at least?
Just sit down.
We'll
No,
get
you
it for
can't.
Come on.
I can't get my phone.
Not right now.
How y'all take me out of yo?
Come on.
So just put it on.
Killing me.
Come on. Come on.
Y'all violating.
And you said 236, somebody just walked from there.
Yeah,
no?
y'all violating me, Pop.
How?
Come on, baby.
We're gonna settle this.
Hold on.
Why did the detectives come again, Pop? To take me out the system?
No, I'm gonna take it from a system
So why
He-
they gotta come?
because there is a case and you didn't tell us anything about what's going on with that stolen thing. What was the case? How did you report it stolen?
My little man had took my car.
Who's your little
My wife
man?
reported it.
What?
My wife.
So you just arrested like 2 weeks ago?
Yes, Pop.
What, did they arrest you 2 days in a row or something? It's like one is August 30th, one August 31st.
Yeah, Pop. I just literally came out of jail, Pop. Like, come on. You see why I'm going so hard now? Like, I ain't trying to go back to jail, Pop. Take my wife's birthday in 2 days.
All right, listen. If there is a warrant, it's better to go to jail and take care of it again.
I
And
took care of the warrant. I don't have no warrants out here.
like
I'm on bail right now.
I'm waiting for them to confirm it. Warrant is still in the system, but they're gonna go physically check.
You telling me you waiting for detectives? Then you telling me you waiting for
No,
the warrant?
no, I'm waiting for a warrant on the radio, but detective is coming. He said he's here in the area anyway, so
What does he need? What do we need him for?
why not? He's on his own. I have no idea.
I'm just saying, Pop. Like, you're not making it make sense to me.
Why?
They don't take the warrants out the system when they done with them?
Of course they do, but that means he maybe have another court date or something.
Pop, I was at court just right now. I'm at court. Right now I'm supposed to be at court.
Like right now?
Like right now.
So you're not at court, so you're here.
Cause y'all got me on cuffs, Pop. Y'all trying to send me back to jail. I'm trying to tell y'all I'm supposed to be in court.
What time is the court?
Right now, Pop.
What time?
Right now, 8 o'clock.
Well, you missed it already then.
I'm supposed to, they didn't pull my case yet. While you was pulling me over there, I was in court.
Hold on. Hello, Mr. Zamora.
After the detective arrived, they realized Devante used a stolen credit card to make a $5,800 down payment on the Mercedes and drove off. But it was charged back to the dealer when the true owner of the credit card disputed the charge. During the stop, Davis had a fake Pennsylvania driver's license and a counterfeit debit card. Davis was arrested on charges that included grand theft auto and possession of fraudulent ID and debit card. Share your thoughts below.